up, YouTube? It's your girl Nate, and I am back with another video. Finally, it's been a while, y'all. It's been a while, but I'm finna do the a deep conditioner review, and it's not sponsored. So I'm gonna be using the Creme Nature Pure Honey Hair Mask, and we finna see how this do. This is my first time doing it, obviously. Okay, so I just split my hair in two ponytails, because that's how I'm gonna wash it. So let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna start on this side and I'm gonna rinse it. You already know how to wash your hair. Put a shower cap on my head, and I had put a grocery bag on my head. You can leave the deep conditioner in for 5 to 10 minutes, or you can leave it longer than that. You can leave it in how long you want to leave it in. I left it in for about 2 to 3 hours, and my hair is feeling really soft. I'm about to wash it out now. Okay, now this is my hair rinsed out. Just got done rinsing it out. And this is how my hair is looking with no products in it. It's looking good, y'all. Look. Oh, yeah. And I had got my hair cut. I had went to Baltimore in October. And when I came back home, I had got my hair cut. Because I still had some of my perm hair on my hair. So I cut all of it off. And this is how my hair is looking now. Y'all don't know how much I'm happy. Because my hair was looking a mess with the perm hair on it. And now look how full it is. And how my curls is starting to pop more now. Like, baby, y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't tell me nothing. My hair got to grow back more though. But it's growing fast because it was actually shorter than this. So it's growing back really fast. And y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all is not going to be able to tell me nothing, baby. When I tell y'all. I'm sorry I got water on my camera. But when I get this big fro and my curls pop even more, baby, y'all not going to be able to tell me nothing. Because I'm going to be like, ow, 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 ow. So this is the end of this video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and so y'all will be updated on when I upload. And I'm gonna try to upload more now. I got my camera, so I'm gonna try to upload more and keep y'all entertained. And y'all tell me videos that y'all want to see. I'm up to do any video y'all want me to do. So y'all give me some ideas, and I'll keep y'all entertained.
Been through more than a little bit, been through more than a little bit, but I ain't calling no names out. No free promotion. Nah, I ain't late. I don't do days. No sneak this.